Appliance Group China. People Electric Appliance Group China, centering on industrial electrical equipment, engages in a variety of fields, including infrastructure, energy resources, urban construction, modern logistics, international trade, finance and investment, electronic and information industry, shipbuilding, hydropower development, etc. It is a top 500 enterprise in China and one of the top 500 enterprises of mechanical industry in the world. It boasts 4 major manufacturing centers, including Wenzhou in Zhejiang Province, Jiaxing in Shanghai, Nanchang in Jiangxi Province, and Fuzhou in Jiangxi Province. 12 wholly invested subsidiaries, 85 member enterprises with share participation, over 800 partner processing enterprises, and more than 3,000 sales companies. Exploring and innovating to create brilliance jointly, chapter of the development of people. For 20 years, the group has seen the number of its employees soaring from over 200 to more than 20,000. There are marketing net sites from dozens to today's more than 3,000, and to the value of output increasing from tens of millions to now over tens of billions. Board Chairman Zheng Yuanbao, leading People Electric Appliance team, has exploited a distinctive people mode and has been candidly interviewed by body and national leaders including Xi Jinping, Li Keqiang, Zhang Dejiang, Yu Zhengshan, etc. People Electric Appliance is now the top 1 valuable brand in Chinese industry and electric field, and one of the most valuable brands in China, with its brand value being up to RMB 25.275 billion, according to the World Brand Lab. Scientific development with technology at first, chapter of technology products. Featured with division of labor based on specialization, automatic assembly, lean manufacture, and programmed control. People Electric Appliance has products of over 120 series and 80,000 specifications, which includes electric appliance of low voltage, medium voltage, high voltage, and extra high voltage. People Electric transmission and transformation equipment, complete sets of equipment, explorer-proof electrical apparatus, cables, instrumentations, electric power automation equipment, etc. Being strictly examined by China Association for Quality, People Electric Appliance Group has been granted National Quality Award, top prize in Chinese quality field, and the People brand be awarded as Chinese well-known trademark. Marketing globally and supporting aerospace calls, chapter of marketing. People Electric Appliance Group has established a product promotion center based on the platform of the internet, with sales to mirror as mainstay to ensure the efficient functioning of international and national marketing operation system. Products of People Electric Appliance, marketable in over 70 countries and regions, are used in a lot of major engineering projects in and out of China, including Pudong International Airport, the 3 gorgeous hydropower engineering project, Jinshan Nuclear Project, Beijing Subway, Olympic Stadiums, the project of transferring water from South China to North China, Qinghai Tibet Railway, as well as the Middle East and Vietnam large hydropower stations project, etc. As electrical equipment supplier for Chang'e Satellite Project and the Shenzhou spacecraft, People Electric Appliance has made a great contribution to our nation's aerospace cause. Strategic layout and diversified expansion, chapter of a diversified industry. People Electric Appliance Manufacturing Center of high voltage and extra high voltage electric transmission and transformation equipment in Nanchang, Jiangxi Province is known both at home and abroad. People Electric Appliances Manufacturing Center of cables and complete sets of equipment in Shanghai enjoys great fame around China. People Electric Appliance Handan International Commercial and Trading Center is a comprehensive international trade center with the largest scale, the most complete functions, and soundest facilities in central China. People Electric Appliance Group has spent RMB 3 billion yuan in Jingmen, Hubei Province and established People 14 International Shopping Mall, the largest commercial complex in central Hubei. People Electric Appliances Ya'an Hydropower Station has been connected to the grid and is now generating electricity. People Electric Appliance Group has made a great investment to exploit corporate molybdenum ore. People Electric Appliance Group, together with British shipping magnate, has established an export base of larger scale vessels. Smooth on the surface, but firm at heart, low-key, but in strength. Chapter of social responsibility. For 20 years, People Electric Appliance Group has offered donations of money and materials with a total value of RMB hundreds of millions yuan to social and public welfare, for which it has been awarded more than 100 honors, including enterprise with most sense of social responsibility in China. United Nations International Science and Peace Week Special Contribution Award, National Glorious Cause Award, etc., and has been making outstanding contribution to building a harmonious socialist society. People Movement Composing Glory. Chapter of Future Expectations. Looking forward to the future, People Electric Appliance Group will devote itself to innovations in system, mechanism, management, technology and culture to make a big span from China top brand to world-famous brand. It will employ different organizational forms, including union of enterprises, financial groups, foundations, finance corporations, etc., to make this leap to hundreds of billions yuan, and finally grow into one of the world's top 500 enterprises characterized by shares socialization, management scientification, industrial diversification, large-scale operation, and brand internationalization.